Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today is the project kit of the advent calendar. Now in this kit you'll receive your full instructions. I've got the colour to show you how to decorate each box. And so this is just a guideline. You can decorate however you want, but this is what you're going to get in your as part of the kit. So this is the advent calendar. So it's all boxes. They're about 2-inch square, so you can get a good amount in there, whether it's chocolate, sweets, little presents, even put little messages in there, or tasks to do that day, fun tasks to do, like learn a Christmas carol or things like that. So that is the little box, and as you can see, they're double-sided, and I'll show you what you can do with this when Christmas is over. Right, so I'll just get down. So you'll get your numbers, you'll get the other covers for each of your little boxes, and then you've got some bits and pieces of ribbons, some gold bands, some stripes, and there's stickers. And there's some more stickers there as well. So you get a wreath, flowers, holly and snowflakes. And they're the other box fronts as well. So they just pop out really easy, and then you can just stick them on. So I'm going to do a couple of these. I've just taken the red ones. And what I'll do is I'll take it out the box and I'll put them to one side, and then we can decorate this one. Just see if I can zoom in a little bit. Sorry about that. There we go. Right, let's get started. So you can either use your tear and tape or your glue. I'm going to use my glue. Now this weekend is a special weekend for me. It's my Stampiversary, and I've been a Stampin' Up demonstrator for 3 years. So I'm doing a series of videos this weekend to celebrate my Stampiversary. Now before I actually joined Stampin' Up as a demonstrator, I was actually purchasing Stampin' Up products, and I purchased quite a few from different demonstrators, and then I decided that because I was purchasing quite a bit, I'm just going to go by the instructions, that I would join, and I haven't regretted it. I've really enjoyed being part of the Stampin' Up family, and it is a family. I've got a lovely team leader, Sam Hammond-Donald. I originally wasn't with Sam. I was with a lady called Crafty Caroline, but unfortunately she had to stop doing Stampin' Up due to work commitments. So I then joined with Sam, and I've been with her ever since. It's just a shame that Caroline couldn't carry on with her Stampin' Up business, but I came under Sam's group, and part of being a Stampin' Up demonstrator, you get to go to events. There's normally one about twice a year. So through those events I met some lovely people, and what with this year, with everything, it's been really disappointing that we can't meet up. But we are having a virtual meet up. And there you go, that's your first box. So yeah, we're having a virtual meet up in a few weeks time, but being on the team, I've met some lovely people, and it's really encouraging when you're part of a group that's doing this sort of thing, that they encourage you to do things like doing YouTube videos and things like that. This wasn't what I was actually wanting to, I was scared to do, to be fair, but I'm so pleased I've had a go and I enjoy doing it. And of course the lovely people that I've met on the retreats and on the meetings we've had. I've met some absolutely lovely people, and I'm so sorry that we won't be able to meet up this year, but hopefully next year we will do. There. So that's your first box. I've just taken it from that one there, and then I mean what you can do is you can just carry on and decorate all your coloured boxes. I'll just do a couple more. You pick a different one. Let's do something with green and stripes. On there. Now I did this video last year because this actual kit has carried over into our autumn winter catalogue, and I'm so pleased it has, because I absolutely love this. I think it's great to do with kids, get them to decorate it. It's really easy to do, and you can even do your own decorations, your own papers, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. So I've got the stripy sticker, let's pop that there. And we have a couple of the flowers. And then I'm going with number 2. Now you can use dimensionals to raise it up if you want to, but I'm just laying them flat. And there's a reason for that, because after Christmas is over, then what you can do is you can turn the boxes over and decorate the other side. So I'm just going to, that's got a bit of a thing on it, just a little bit of glue, stick that, and there you go. Got some glue on me instructions, never mind. So there you go, it's as easy as that, and you can have fun decorating how you want, which is excellent. Now, as I suggested, after Christmas you can then use your little templates and you can create your own. Now what I've done is I've already done my little templates. This is a great way of using scrap paper. So this particular DSP paper I'm using is from the Magic in This Night, and you've got all sorts of different patterns. Some of them you probably might not want to use because I don't want to use the backs, but I want to use this side. So what you do is you cut squares of 5 centimetres by 5 centimetres. And that's what I've done there. I'm just going to move those across. And I'm just going to pop it in there. Oops, the other way around. This is probably not the best one to do it on. Pop it in there. And I'm just going to draw the semicircle. Just in pencil. And if you can just see that, the semicircle there. Now you can just cut that out, or I've got a punch, which is a 1-inch punch. And then I can just line it up and punch it out. And then I can decorate this side. I'm just going to use I'll use my tear and tape because not everybody has got glue. So I'll use my tear and tape. The good thing about the glue is the fact that you've got a little bit of wiggle to get it straight, but you don't have to. Just use some tear and tape. Oops, I didn't mean to bang that about. And then just pop it on there like so. And then you can have a whole different side of your advent calendar. And you can use this to put little bits and pieces, so it's an all year round useful storage place. And I'll be decorating, as I say, I've got lots of different colours. I really like the colours in this suite, this DSP paper, and at the moment there is 15% off the DSP paper available, so and that's only till the end of October. So if you want to purchase some paper and at a really good price, then it's a really good time to do that. But as I say, this is a great way to use scraps up as well. I've nearly used up all of the paper from this particular suite. And then we can use a different one there. As I say, you can put ribbons, you can put trinkets in there. If it's not crafty, you can put earrings in there, necklaces, whatever you want. It's entirely up to you how you use this. But the good thing is you can use it again. It's not just for Christmas. So I'll put a link below to the shop where you can purchase this particular kit. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'm nearly at my 100 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm aiming to get this before the end of the year. So I appreciate it if you would like and share and subscribe and help me get to my goal of 100 subscribers. And as I was saying about being a Stampin' Up demonstrator, this is also a great year for me because I've actually reached my silver title, which means I've actually had somebody join me in my team. And as part of that, I'll show you, this is what I received from Stampin' Up. Beautiful necklace. I hope you can see that. Yep, you can see that there. So this is what I've achieved this year, which I'm really pleased about. So between having a few customers and now I have a team member, then it's been a good Stampin' Up year for me. As I say, there's been lows due to all this COVID business and the fact we can't get together and do things like that, but it's nice. It's nice some things have happened, and it's encouraged me to carry on really. So, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye bye.